In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Substack account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. It typically removes your profile, publications, posts, and subscriber data, and you won't be able to recover them later. If you're certain this is what you want, follow along carefully, and take a moment to read any on-screen warnings during the process. Start by opening Substack in your web browser. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a desktop browser so you can clearly see all the menus and options. Once you're on Substack, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click Dashboard. This brings you into your main workspace, where you can review your publications, posts, and account controls. It's a good spot to pause and make sure you really want to remove everything associated with your account, since this action can't be undone. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. The Settings page is where Substack keeps your account-level controls, including privacy, notifications, billing, and, importantly, options to close or delete your account. On the Settings page, scroll down. Keep going until you reach the section where Substack places the deletion option. It's often grouped with other critical actions and may be labeled clearly to indicate that it's irreversible. Take a moment to read any notes or disclaimers in this area so you understand what will happen when you proceed. When you're ready, click Delete Account. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure this isn't an accidental click. To proceed, click Delete Account again. Substack does this second confirmation to protect you from unintended changes and to remind you of the consequences. You'll then see a final confirmation option. Click Delete My Account. This is the point of no return. After you select it, Substack will begin the deletion process. You may be logged out automatically, and you might see a confirmation message indicating the request has been received. Depending on the platform's policies, deletion may be immediate or may take some time to fully complete, especially if there's a lot of content associated with your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Substack account. If you were expecting to keep anything, remember that this process is permanent, so always review the warnings on each confirmation screen before you click. Thanks for watching, and take care.